Welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, sponsored by fans. Hello and good day. We have a package here. I cannot remember if I can say her name. From Georgina. Georgina, thank you for this present. Whatever it is. What did I get? Hello, Janne. I'm sorry about the small gift. Don't be sorry about the small gifts. All gifts are gifts. Even the card is enough. So don't worry about that. It's amazing. As you see the trouble to send me all kind of stuff. So that's enough for me. But it is something. It is something, yes. I made myself for you. Happy holiday season. You made? Really? So long. Do I put this on my neck? Smells good. Ooh, it covers my neck perfectly. That's the most important part. Sometimes I try with my bicycle jacket open because it's getting so hot, but here it's getting cold, so with music on. But it's also nice. But this is very cool. I like this. I could use this. Ugh, it's struggling me. But doing this by yourself, that takes a long time and a lot of trouble. Wow, I'm impressed. Thank you, Georgina. Thank you. I appreciate that kind of stuff, really. What is this? And remember, this is not a competition who sends the biggest gift. Just send me what you like, whatever you like, or what you think I like. It doesn't have to be expensive, a lot of stuff, but of course those are appreciated as well. But don't be shamed or anything, embarrassed or anything negative emotions about if you send a smaller gift. Not everyone can send every time bigger gift all the time. I appreciate big gifts, many gifts and smaller gifts. So don't worry. Any of you. Oh wow. Seas candies. Metal jar. That usually means quality when it's this kind of package. Oh, what's inside? Ooh, chocolate! Ooh! Let's try this one. Oh wow! Look at this. So amazing. One more. This must be handmade. So full. Rich. Look at this. big chunks of candy. You made this too? Really? You've seen a lot of trouble. Dear Lord, you've seen a lot of trouble. Kind of a comfortable smell. This sounds weird, but it smells like a safe place. I don't know, it just brings some memories about being in a safe place. This one was nice. Thank you, Georgina, of these gifts. I like them, I appreciate them. Let's end this episode here. Please thumb up, and we'll see you in next episode. Bye bye. Thumb up. Oh, it's snowing. This is a second present. First one was from Georgina. Thank you. And now it's Mary's turn. Again, I don't know how many packages Mary has already sent it me. Ooh, and I got a new soul. Let's see what we have here. I think I take a knife. My signature knife. Also always so curious what we get. Letter first. I don't know if I can read this, but I asked Mary if I can read this. So many decoration. With stamps, really cool. Oops. Yeah. Don't want to break it. Okay. Card. Just look at it. Nice one. Okay. This is supposed to come in Christmas or something, but I think it delayed or something. Something. Yummy. Whatever is beautiful, whatever is meaningful, whatever brings you happiness, may it be yours this holiday season. Merry Christmas. And very happy New Year. It's a new year already, 2019. So far I like it. This year's promises, I try to be positive person, more positive person, and appreciate what I have. And happy New Year, and wish you the best. YouTube. Ooh, I don't cannot read. Let's touching some stones. I hope you had a relaxing day and enjoyed and try to let out all the stress and enjoy just being. Watching my long video maybe. It's very nice looking at rocks. I like this. I like rocks. It's a different part of the world. Oh, by the way, one of my favorite pieces in music, Area from Goldberg Variations. You might remember it from Hannibal that he listened before escaping the prison. And Nature Boy. Da-da-da. Very nice. I played that Nature Boy in the woods in a Halloween episode with saxophone. It's fun. Lollipop. Wonder Shop, peppermint lollipop. Very nice. Thank you. Hey, what is this? Lindele milk chocolate. I haven't eaten anything today, so I might try this. What's going on? You put a 5. Is this like Kit Kat or something? Very good chocolate. How do I describe it? Very traditional taste, but a little bit different. Just a little bit. Very good. Yes. What is this? Noisemakers. Are these like invented to just to annoy people? Come on, I should have the lung power. I play saxophone. I think this one's broken or something. Next candidate. Jeez, it's horrible. Okay, I could take this to my workplace, and if someone is getting sleepy, I could do that and they would be awake. What's going on? Just like New Year's jewelry. Novelty net gauge. Choking hazard. Small pouch. No children under 3 years. Yes, choking is a serious thing. Just remember to chew everything that you eat. I have experience about that. But these are pretty. Do I have to wear this the whole episode now? Energy. Guys, I guess so. I'm a bit like a glow. I feel stupid. I have to check myself on the mirror. Ooh, another chocolate, the same kind, little. Ow. Icebreakers, sours. Ooh, sour. Okay. Still some chocolate in my mouth. Seems good. Not too sour. Oh, pretty good. Thank you. Those are good. Carefully. What? Peeps. These are very soft. What? Gingerbread. What do you think? Should I taste one? have to get rid of the sour candy. You're mine. You're mine. Quite good actually. Like these are like marshmallows with some ginger and sugar. Interesting, very good. Let us take this off, sorry. Sorry, why do I ask sorry? Oh, by the way, I have to ask if you're still watching who sent me this. Who sent me this? Again, sorry for not remember who what everyone had sent me. But who sent me this? I forgot, sorry. Sorry again, I asked sorry too much. Oh, there was a card. Gift topper 2019. Just like that. Where do you put this? Somewhere hanging. Yes, 2019. Let's make this a great year. Have fun, have more fun. I don't want to waste any time of worrying about anything. I want to just live and do whatever I want. If I would get enough Patreons, I would travel to Europe for a whole year and do so much episodes in there. And do so much collaboration with other YouTubers. I would take like a 1 year off from work and see what happens. If I would get enough supporters, I mean, of course. Oh, another peeps. So check out my Patreon. There are some reward systems. If you donate some amount in every month, you get something like a video chat with me or something. But you have to ask about those. When you donate like 10 euros, you might, I can't remember what they read there. I'm sorry, this is babbling, but some reward system maybe said like a video chat with me and something once in a while, and I subscribe to you and follow you and that kind of rewards. If you donate there, remember to ask those. Ooh, these are marshmallows too. Christmas. Gotta hit the gym so I can be fit in the summer when I start urbex again. I don't have any winter urban exploration in my mind yet. Perhaps I can, maybe, I don't know. These are very sweet, so much sugar in it. It's pretty good in a small doses. Thank you, Mary. Last one. Oh, sorry, I need to take a water. Teasing you guys. I'm not gonna open it. When I open it, I don't show it. What do I drink it with one finger up? That I do not know. Yes. Last present. Like this, biscuits, I don't know, I don't wanna look. What is this? Do you see? Okay, when I push the button, when I pushed the button, I accidentally just took a picture, didn't record this. So I have to do this part again, which I don't like. Okay, let's just pretend like, opened. Oh, it's a chocolate, cherry chocolate. Ooh, and this is, like you see, I already tasted one. I have to do it again because I didn't record it. And that's a, oh. Okay, this is a final tasting of this video, so thumb up for this. Sorry, Mary, but these were horrible. I just read that 100% liquid center. Liquid center. Is there a liquor in there? I don't know. No, I don't think so. Milk chocolate with cherry liquid inside. I can imagine people liking this, but this is really not my thing. I almost puked. Sorry, Mary. I give these to some other people. I remember tasting liquor candies when I was kid. They were normal candy, looking like normal candies, but when I put in the mouth, like those were horrible. I don't like whiskey and scotch and that kind of stuff. But I would like, but both whiskey bottles and that kind of stuff is so pretty. It always makes me watch the bottles, how beautiful they are, and drooling. So for some reason, drooling when I see amazing bottles in a wine shop. Okay, that was a babble about wine shops, whiskey bottles. I don't know why, flashing my memory because of the taste. Okay, thank you, Mary, for everything. Thank you, Georgina, for everything. And we end this episode, but do remember, thumb up, and we have all kind of videos in this channel. And if you want me to do reaction videos, give me a link somewhere, maybe in my fan page, mail or something like, or this mail that I give you here, janne@hotmail.com. Come. So, and subscribe to and share if you want to. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't want to babble too much. Why do I babble? Just end it. We'll see you next episode. Bye bye.